Hey guys, we're from Group 7, and our assignment was to do two means independent samples comparing the weights of backpacks of males and females students on campus. And my name is Maggie.
Rogelio.
Kevin.
Hi, my name's Kevin. I'm in Texas.
I'm Holly.
And I'm Cody.
Hey, so for our data collection, we went around to the MC and we collected a bunch of people's weights of their backpacks by first measuring Cody and then subtracting that weight by the weight of the backpack. And so here's kind of what we did.
Excuse me, can I weigh your backpack? It's your backpack right here. This way over here.
Oh man, this is heavy.
So for our data collection, after we weighed all the backpacks, we put the total with Cody's weight of boys here and the total of girls here, and then we subtracted that, and we got for the girls' backpack this weight, and for the boys' backpack this weight. And this is Cody's weight right here. That's our data collection, and the gender we put over here so that we could do our tables for our data collection. And we had to do 20 of each gender. So in total we had 50, so we did 24 boys and 26 girls for our data collection.
Okay, for summaries, we have to go to Analyze, then go to Descriptive Statistics, Explore, and after that we enter it for each different one. So we enter one for boys, then one for girls, and after that we enter one for total of girls and boys combined, and that gave us to our descriptive statistics. So here we have the total. Here's where we have the mean of the total. That's going to be 10.006, and we have the standard deviation, confidential interval, and for individual ones we have to go through right here. For men's, the individual weight mean was 10.39, and for girls was 9.6. The standard deviation was this one right here, and this is our percent error. To our histogram, we went to Legacy histogram. We selected total for variable, and we push OK. And here's how we got our histogram right here, and this is for total girls and boys combined. For our QQ plot, we went to Analyze, then descriptive statistics, and then we selected QQ plot. We selected total. And there is where we got our two different graphs for QQ plot.
Okay, so this is our hypothesis. Our null hypothesis was that men's backpacks equal to female backpacks, and our alternative hypothesis was that men's backpacks are not equal to the female backpacks. And so what we decided is we rejected the null hypothesis because there was sufficient evidence to suggest that the mean weight of male and female backpacks are not equal.
Okay, now also for our test, we had to do our t-test. It's a little different for our topic because we had to do what's called an independent sample test here. And how we did that is we went up to Analyze, we did the compare means, and we went to the independent sample test. And when you went in here, we had to do a test variable and also a group variable. And so our test variable was our totals. So we did totals, put that in there. And then for our group variables, we did gender in there. And that was able to give us our independent samples test. Oh, and we also had to change our group to male and female when we grouped them. And this gave us the independent sample test for those. As you can see here, our t value came out to 0.643, and our degrees of freedom of 48. Our p-value came out to be 0.523, as you can see right there. And last of all is our 95% confidence interval. We have negative 1.59 to about 3.09. And the alpha level that we used as was for our topic was 0.05. And now we'd like to go to Kevin for the conclusion of our results.
In conclusion, we have discovered that male backpacks are just a little bit heavier, just about a pound. We are a little bit surprised that there is such a close difference. I personally thought, I don't know, you could argue either way. You could argue men are stronger, so they'll carry more, or you can argue that girls will carry all their makeup and all the other myriads of things that women carry, so you could argue they carry more. But either way, the men end up carrying a little bit more, but we are surprised by how close it was. And we'd urge people to carry a little bit less, save your backs, because you're going to need them for the rest of your lives.
All right. Thank you for tuning in, and wish you the best. That's from Group 7.